So let's bring this here. Then I'm going to bring this here. So let me bring. So let's rotate. Sorry. Let's bring this. Oops. Bring this here. It's too big, so I'm going to resize it. This. And I will take it back. Let's bring it somewhere here. Then we can bring this one too here. Okay. Let's make it big a bit. And I'm going to highlight all these related to the mitochondria and then rotate it here. Rotate it to this value. Okay. Yeah, I think it's quite okay. Then let's do same for this one too. Can you please? Let's do same for this. Okay, this. Okay. The reason why I'm doing this is just so it looks like it gives us some kind of perspective view. Okay, so this is quite okay. And then yeah, so this is quite okay. So I need to import the mitochondria. Okay, so I'm going to import the mitochondria. So which is this particular one. Okay, so the cell for the mitochondria. Okay, you can see how large it is. I'm going to import. It's too large, so let's resize it. Okay. It's too large. Okay, so resize it. Okay, we scale it down. Then let's move it back. Scale it down a bit. Okay, so let's reset our camera. Reset camera. Okay, so let's look for mitochondria. Okay, so there's it now. So I'm going to bring it here. Oops. Select it. Okay, so this is quite okay. So thank you for watching, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.